So my message to you, June, would be after we are through with all this planning, all this, the day itself, just pray that we get to spend more times like this pamoja, to cherish one another through the difficult times and the good times, and just be intentional now how we build on this relationship. And whatever comes, just know that I have you, I've got you, I'm here to work with you no matter what, and hopefully we get to do this for a very long time to come and inspire others as well. See you on the other side.
So my message to you, babe, is don't give up, no matter how hard this process may be, and together till the wheels fall off.
Wedding planning can be a very stressful process, with finances, vendors, in-laws, family, logistics, systems, and many more taking away the opportunity to just enjoy each other's presence. And that's why we do these dance classes, to enable our couples to spend time together, create memories, and enjoy the process. So here is Brian and June's journey. Enjoy.
Coming here, honestly, nilikuwa najiuliza, do we really need this? It doesn't even make sense coming for a dance. But the moment actually nimeanza, one, nimesikia vile how intimate it is, na pia I can see how it will go a long way in making sure to entertain, na pia to entertain our guests. But yeah, the difficult one, I think, getting the footwork here, the salsa movement before I start to turn around. But I'll have to keep practicing that. I thought alafu niko na shida ya perfectionism. Alafu the problem is nataka kufikiria the next move well ahead of time, asijeshika the basics. So but I can see how experience ina come in hapa, na the more you do it, the better you become. So I'm looking forward to the next few classes, definitely.
For me, expectation is the whole wedding buzz. I think this will be the moment to connect. Just two of us. Then it will be more of an intimate session pamoja, and also just having fun together.
Yes, I agree.
So ulikuja hapa juu yake mostly.
But I've come to, and that I was about to tell her baadaye, like I'm glad actually we made the decision we actually do the class, because I can see your part here, how for all those other times and occasions, this is literally our own time. Nah, that's also an investment. Hata nilikuwa nafikiria maybe we can even do dance classes. I don't know. But it's actually really nice. Very peaceful, very intimate. And a worthy investment for sure.
Awesome. Class number 2.
Class number 2, honestly, very amazing. I thought ningekuwa nimesahau vitu, lakini muscle memory kicked in, then all the moves na the rhythm ikaanza kuingia poa, so that was definitely helpful. Confidence level definitely pia imeanza kupanda juu, na I'm sure by the time unafika 3 na ya mwisho and the wedding itself, now itakuwa a bit more, instead of kufikiria nini next, now it's rhythm, na hopefully afika ile point where even in class 1 while we were learning the moves, especially kushikana, I got lost. Yani sikuwa nasikia anything else in my surroundings. So that is what I'm hoping by the time nafika class ya mwisho and the wedding itself, will just be the two of us in that space. No, kuna kufikiria kitu kingine, but definitely love the progress up until now.
For me, class 2, when I trust him more. When I want to go the other side, and he nudged towards the other side. So I think it is applied in life.
Very nice.
Day 3.
Day 3 ilikuwa about highlighting the different ways we think. Anashika na steps, mimi nashika na song. But as long as the end goal is the same.
For me, yes, like amesema, steps, it's different, but communication is key. So those small gestures na kuambiana, do this, do that, remember this, remember that, imesaidia, and that last move, Hiyo imetesa kabisa. So otherwise very good date, very good sana nini practice, and hopefully by the time tunafika mwisho we nail it, na for our own sake, hata sijali kama watu wengine wataona, but for our own sake fit to just get lost in the moment.
And that communication you may hit at any point that maybe that's why tunakosananga saa zingine. How you guys
of course, definitely, different varying thoughts, bila not telling the other what you're actually thinking about. That one is a big cause of conflict, but it helps. Just communicating, kusema tu nini is in your heart, in your mind. Don't assume the other partner. Your partner knows what you are thinking about or what is here as well.
Class number 4.
Very interesting turn of events. At least leo nimeona reality ya things can really happen in life, as much as unafikiria mambo itaenda hivi. Not everything works out the same, but what nimekumbushwa rather is just enter yourself, jiweke in that moment, then from there on just be in the space, be in the moment, enjoy, live in it, then now later on you can carry on, but while you're still there, enjoy it. That's my takeaway for today. Otherwise at least moves imerudi, na I'm pretty sure you're deep ni fire, tuleni utacheki, but moves you're listening and ibamba the way now it's all coming together by the 4th class. So by the time we're getting a mwisho na next week Saturday, we break out some good moves pale. We first of all enjoy ourselves, then we make our audience enjoy it as well.
For me, class ya leo, I have a big phobia of falling. So the deep, even stretch out of my comfort zone, which is a good thing. And we'll continue practicing.
Definitely.
Day 5.
Day 5, one word, confident. Everything has come together. Toka hapa, honestly, I'm just looking forward to enjoying the moment. Just that, nothing else. But so far happy with how everything has turned out. Najua nikiochi compilation from day 1, taka ni kama sitaamini mahali nimetoka, but one word, confident.
I'm looking forward to dancing with you, the events, but I'm also feeling confident and first class.
And first class. Sawa.
Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, click here. And for more videos of us emceeing, click here.